Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an incredible strategy that people just like you are using to generate an additional $100 to $300 a day. And by the way, this is a brand new system that a lot of people are not talking about yet. So this is your opportunity to tap into this platform and start getting some amazing results. When I found out about this platform, I was completely mind blown, and I just thought, you know what, let's create a video sharing this amazing strategy that you guys can use to generate income online. As you guys already know, I'm always bringing you the tea. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can generate income online using the Temu affiliate marketing program. Now, I know that Temu is one of those platforms that have a love and hate relationship. You know, some people are like, well, they sell very poor quality products, and then some people have actually had amazing results and success, you know, purchasing products from there. This is why it's so important to try and test out the quality of any products that you want to promote out here on the internet. Okay, so with that said, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an easy step-by-step strategy that anyone can use to start making money using the Temu affiliate marketing program. So if you guys want to learn more about the strategy and how to tap into it, then I'm just gonna head over to my computer right now and show you guys everything step by step. Okay, for those of you guys who don't know, Temu is kind of like another AliExpress. It's a Chinese-based vendor. And you know, they have quite a lot of products there that you can actually purchase at super affordable prices. Now, one thing to bear in mind is the fact that, like with any other Chinese company, guys, there's going to be some products that are super low quality. And it's literally like kind of like a gamble trying to find a good quality product with this platform. So if you wanted to promote any products here, I would strongly recommend that you try and test them out first of all before you go on to promote these products yourself, okay? Because there's been quite a few reviews, you know, kind of mixed reviews around quality of the products not being the best. But I mean, what do you really expect when you're purchasing trainers for $7? Like, you're not gonna get, you know, designer quality trainers if you're spending less than $10 for those shoes, right? So I would recommend that if you want to promote any products here, of course, you test out the products yourself. Get a few samples, do some reviews, or even if you've shopped from this platform before, you can start doing some reviews based on the products that you currently have right now. If they are good quality, of course, I would not recommend reviewing poor quality products, okay, because that's not a good reputation for you as well. So make sure that you're actually testing out those products, right? So you see a product like this is only like $2, right? Of course, you're not going to expect a certain quality for those sliders, right? It's just probably going to be like really light, flimsy plastic. It's not going to be durable. So really be wary about the type of products that you want to promote within this platform, just to put it out there as a quick disclaimer, okay? Now, to get started with this platform, guys, you want to go ahead and register for an affiliate account. So to do that, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can just click here where it says affiliate, click for cash, and then that actually allows you to register for an affiliate account. And it's really simple to do, guys. It takes literally seconds to register. There's people actually earning commissions as high as £100,000 or, you know, dollars every single month, guys. Okay, so there's nothing stopping you from tapping into this platform. And one thing I love about this platform as well is they have very high commissions. If you compare this to like Amazon affiliates, it's really high. It's substantial in comparison to an Amazon affiliate product. But then again, in terms of quality, Amazon tends to have more of the higher quality products as well. So again, you know, those are the type of things you can take into account. But nevertheless, there's a ton of people, guys, buying from Temu every single day, and they already have an online reputation that they've built, which means it's going to be very easy for you to promote those products as well. Again, test the products, and you know, you should have no problems whatsoever promoting and recommending the products. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to start off by just joining the platform. So you can sign up, and then you're going to get your link, and then every time somebody buys via your link, you earn a commission. So it's just straight up simple affiliate marketing. Okay, so you want to go ahead and just click there to get started for free, and that's going to ask you for your email or phone number. And then if you already have an account, I believe you can just log into your existing account. Okay, so you just want to follow the instructions, guys, and get your affiliate account up and running. Now, once you're registered, guys, it's literally an automatic approval. So I just registered for a free account, as you can see, and I already have $3 of, or £3 actually, of available cash that I can withdraw when I hit that £20 threshold. Okay, so this is really a great incentive, guys. I'm just helping people go out there and promote the platform and start earning commissions, and you're just getting a bonus for just joining the platform, which is just super cool. So as you can see at the back office, there's different ways you can earn with this platform, guys. You can even earn just, you know, sharing things like bonuses and coupons, and just getting people to download the app. Like if you literally got someone to download the app, guys, you can earn £2 for just getting a new user to download the app. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to pick an item. So you want to pick an item based on a niche that you are passionate about, of course. And I also recommend that when it comes to promoting Temu products, you go for products that, you know, on the slightly higher end. I would say anything over $30 plus is actually a great product to promote. If you're going to be earning like a 20% commission, then it's not too bad, right? So I'll also say you should go with a product that is kind of like, you know, trending or at least evergreen, okay? Because evergreen products are going to be able to be sold all year round. And, you know, think about the season. So we're now heading towards the summer. So you may want to be looking into garden products because more people will be spending time outdoors. So outdoor products are probably going to be more trendy at this time of the year. I'll be looking at things like, you know, barbecue, gardening products, anything that's kind of like summer related type products that, you know, people can use outdoors, right? Like outdoorsy type products. And you can just take a look at the different products. I'm going to go here and I'm just going to see if I can sort that by, let's see if it actually allows me to sort. Right, let's sort by the price high to low, right? And then you can see the different products being sold there right now. And again, like I said, I strongly recommend that you test out the products, guys. Okay, test out the products if you're going to be promoting those products. And most importantly, use that to create content, right? Because if you're going to be promoting a physical product, you need to be promoting a physical product, right? You need to be creating content around a physical product, how to use the product and things of that nature. Or you can send it to an influencer or someone else to create that content for you. There's a lot of content creators out here that you can literally pay to create your content for you. Okay, so let's just see. This is a great sort of like gardening, you know, inflatable swimming pool, guys. This is a great summer product that you can promote. Okay, this would be a great trendy seasonal product that you can absolutely promote and make some money. More and more people are going to be outdoors right now. So this is a great product that could potentially sell. And you can also go there and just take a look at all the reviews, right, that people are leaving around that product. And it's currently being sold for, what's the price? What's the price? What's the price? It's about £40, which is actually not bad, right? That's quite a good price in comparison to what you would pay, you know, if you were to purchase that locally, of course. But then again, it's coming from China. Like I said, you can see some reviews, all these images. This is great social proof right there, okay, that you can even use to create your own marketing content as well, because it is the exact same product that you are promoting anyway, right? So guys, this is a great kind of, you know, summary product that you could tap into. And then all you're going to be doing, guys, is just creating content on social media, just, you know, showcasing the lifestyle of just enjoying yourself in the pool, outdoors, and things of that nature. Again, you can use content creators, and then you can just go, you can actually go on TikTok. If you're stuck with content ideas, you can go on platforms like TikTok, and then we can search for something like, let's go, it's an inflatable swimming pool, right? Just to give you an idea of the type of content that people are creating around this inflatable pool. So let's do inflatable swimming pool. And then just want to take a look, guys, and just see the type of content people are creating. It can even be something like a how to use, right? Or people just having fun in the pool, guys, just chilling in the pool, living their best life, right? It can even be something around the best summer activities or something of that sort. And then you can say, hey, oh, you know, if you're looking for an amazing pool or you want to save yourself on a vacation, right? Or can't afford to go on a summer vacation, have a vacation in your back garden. Like, just be creative with your content marketing, right? Just be creative with your content, guys. And if you're stuck with content ideas, again, at the Funnel Fire program, there'll be a link below this video. We have an in-depth content marketing course, guys, that teaches you how to go out there and create content that actually makes you money, okay? So, guys, you can go on TikTok, get some amazing ideas in terms of, you know, just look at that. That's an amazing video right there, just showcasing an inflatable pool, you know, being installed, from installation to use. Like, that's amazing, guys. Like, just that's a lifestyle product. You just showcase how the product works, you know, people using that product, and then just create lots of content around that product. And you can actually promote this, you know, inflatable pools on platforms like TikTok. You can even look into Instagram, Facebook Reels, any platform, even YouTube videos, guys. If you go on YouTube, let's try YouTube. If you go on YouTube right now, okay, and then inflatable swimming pool, let's do a search on inflatable swimming pool on YouTube, right? You can see the type of content that's been created around this right now. And you can even have things that, you know, say something like the best inflatable swimming pool in 2014. Here we go. Look at that one, guys. Look at that, right? You create a video like that, showcasing the inflatable pole, right? How it works, the dimensions, and then if you guys want access to this pole, here's the link in the description below this video, right? You don't even have to do like a long YouTube video. It can be YouTube Shorts, right? Similar type of content that you see on TikTok, you can put it out on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. So if someone's out here on the internet searching for the best inflatable swimming pool because they're trying to buy one for the summer, guess what? They're going to see your video. Here's another great example, guys. They're going to see your video. They're going to click on the link to your Temu store, right? Temu affiliate link, purchase, and then you're going to earn yourself a solid 20%, guys. Okay, you see how powerful the strategy is and how you can start making money with affiliate marketing. Even if you don't have a website, you don't have a product to sell, this is a great way, guys, to start generating some income online. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on making money with a Temu affiliate marketing program. Let me know below this video your thoughts on Temu. Do you love Temu? Have you had any bad experiences with the platform? Do you hate it? Let me know below this video and whether or not you are going to be trying the strategy. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to share it with someone else who will be inspired. And if you love videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button below this video, smash that notification button so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out. So thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!